Hello, this is Austin Triggs with Disizit Studios, and today I am doing a sound test with my shotgun microphone for you. This sound test is to just give you an idea of how it actually sounds with my various, like in a couple of different ways. I do have it pointed out towards my dining room and then an extension off to the kitchen, so you might hear a little bit of noise. That's probably from the fridge. But I'm just gonna sort of give you an idea of how it sounds. I am really close to the microphone, and it is on tele, so I should probably back up, and I'm gonna back up about 15 feet. And then I'm just gonna say the ABCs walking slowly up to the microphone so you can get a feel for how it sounds from 15 feet back up. It's supposed to go back as far as 30 feet, but the cable I'm using and the cable I came with it don't reach that far, so I'm just gonna go with it. Alright, so I'm a good 12 feet away, 12, 15 feet. And I've just noticed that I am recording the noise of two clocks in the same room, and you're probably catching the one in the dining room too. And I'll explain in the description about the second clock. So ABCs: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That just clipped. I'm gonna step back. That last little bit, I was about 3 inches away from the mic. I was really close. I'm gonna try blowing straight into the mic for wind. I'm gonna be about 5 inches away from the mic for doing that without the windscreens, with the foam windscreen, with the dead cat windscreen. So here I go. Alright, I did not change any of this in post-production. I am just cutting between certain bits of this so it goes a little faster, because this has been going on for 5.5 minutes for me, which is about the target I was going for this time. Yes! So I'm going to stop babbling, and I'm going to stop clipping the audio, because that is bad, and I'm going to let you go. And hopefully this video will be up Monday, March, whatever this upcoming Monday from me right now. Today is Thursday, 3rd, 4th, 5th, the 5th. Today is the 5th. So the next Monday. I'm just gonna stop the recording.